Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you the fastest access to this option and then how to customize it. Let's begin with unrolling the top bar or the control panel. Unroll it fully and find the icon Eye Comfort. All we have to do is to tap on it and basically let me pick always on. I hope that you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode because it will be much easier for you. The same situation if you want to turn it off, just find the icon and tap on it, and probably here you can see the changes better. If you want to customize this option, you can either tap on this icon, tap on it and hold it, and you should be dragged to the proper position. But if for some reason it doesn't work in your case, I will show you the full path of how to enter the settings. So let's enter the settings themselves, of course. And here we have to find the option display and brightness. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort, so let's tap on it and let me first of all turn this option on so we can see the changes. And let's start with the screen temperature. Here, just by using the switcher, we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and to the right, warmer. As you can see, it is almost orange. Of course, set it just like you want to, which mode, which option is more comfortable. Here you can manage also the display effects, which simply means that we can display the colors and they will be affected with the yellowish tones, or we can set black and white and your device will display everything in a monochromatic way. So up to you again, and here we can schedule the feature, so let's tap on it, and here basically we can turn it on. We can pick the time of turn on and off, so basically your device will use it to apply the mode. It's up to you, as I said. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.